Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a clean and undecorate with me for all of my holiday decor. Yes, I know it is mid-January right now. To be honest with you, I feel like I don't get long enough with my Christmas decor, so I basically leave it up as long as I think is socially acceptable. I also have a little girl. Her name is Chloe. She is 9 months old now. I cannot even believe it. And she keeps me pretty busy. So I basically have used all of that as a big excuse to not take my Christmas decor down until last week. I know it's late, but I thought I would share this video with you anyway because I love to watch these kinds of videos. And if you do too, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps my channel out. So the first thing I'm starting on taking down is my staircase garland. If you want to see how I made this, I will leave a link in the cards above. And I store everything in these plastic tubs. I've talked about this in another video as well. I love to store all of my decor in these hard plastic tubs because they are really sturdy, and I have shipped my decor on an international military move without anything breaking. So I highly recommend you do the same. I also use these large sort of long tubs to store my garlands in. I can fit 4 garlands in one of these tubs, and I actually use 7 garlands all up to make my staircase garland, so it works pretty economically. So you can see I've got everything pulled off the staircase and put away here. I store all of my picks and ribbons and everything in one tub, my garlands in another, and all of my shatterproof Christmas ornaments in their own tub as well. And here is my staircase completely undecorated. So next, moving on to the Christmas tree in my living room, I'm just going to work my way around and remove all of the Christmas balls. Most of the balls on this tree are glass, and I have a specific way that I like to store them. I use these cases that I pick up from Walmart. You can also get these on Amazon, but they're honestly like 5 times more expensive. These cost about $7 or so at Walmart. I've seen them advertised for like $35 on Amazon, so please check your Walmart if you want them. As you can see, I did run out of space for just a few of my glass ornaments, so I will need to pick up 1 or 2 more. As mentioned earlier, I do store all of my shatterproof ornaments in one big tub, and I'll store all of these picks in the tub with the ones from the staircase. And here is the tree with all of the ornaments gone. So now I just need to take off all of the lights. This did take me quite a while. I just worked my way around the tree. I think I had, maybe 10 strings of lights or something on here. I'm just guessing. I can't honestly remember. I've probably blocked it out. But I take them all off and then I wind them all up around a piece of card and store them in a box. This just helps them stop getting tangled and broken and ready for next year. Now, still in my living room, I'm moving over to the other wall on the other side of the room and taking down my little mantle setup. This year I'm actually doing something different with how I'm storing this, and I'm actually going to store the garland, the bells, the stockings, and all of this little grouping in one tub together. I pretty much do the same look every year. I just love it. And so this will make it much easier for me to get it out and put it back up next year. So that's another little tip you can use. Store groupings all together so that you know what all of the pieces are when you want to bring it back out the next year. And now this cabinet needs a really good clean because as much as I love it, have any of you noticed that black furniture, it just shows up dust so badly? I swear I could clean this thing every single day, but I do really love how it looks. Now, this is a couple days later, as you can tell by our outfit change, but I enlisted the help of my husband to pull down our large tree, and my mom is also helping out vacuuming up all of the mess from under the tree, and we are, as a family, reassembling the living room. It feels so much cleaner and tidier and neater now. I will say it does feel really bare though. Do any of you find that, like, you take all your Christmas decor down and the house just feels so bare. I really am going to need to pull my finger out and add a little winter interest to the house because I feel like it's way too early to decorate for spring yet. Something I do love to do that I find instantly refreshes my living room is to fluff my couch cushions. I know this sounds like such a blah thing to do, but I really try to do it every couple of days because it just makes things look so much tidier. So definitely give this one a go in your own home. I promise you will not be disappointed. So the living room is back to its normal self. It feels really good. If you want to see more videos like this, as well as other home decorating videos and DIY videos, and you're not already a member of my YouTube family, be sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join me here. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.